added a little extra cobalt blue in that tail. So we're going to let that dry. And now I'm going to go back to the eye again because I'm going to fill in that white ring that I left around the eye with some of my blue gray, I'm going to add just a little extra cobalt to my blue and get that ring around the eye so that it's not so stark white. And I'm also going to fill in that little, so make sure that your eye is totally dry and with just a very diluted amount, tiny amount of cobalt, I'm going to fill in that reflection in the eye.